Hi everyone, Rod Bonham here from the BORA product team. Mobility in the shop is a necessity and BORA tool delivers solutions. Ever need to mobilize something in the shop that's an odd size, like a lathe? Today I want to show you the PM-1100 mobile base kit. Supplied as 4 corner brackets with 2 swivel wheels and 2 fixed wheels, plus all the hardware you'll need, the PM-1100 requires a plywood base platform to complete the assembly and get you on the move. The kit accommodates platforms up to 1 inch thick, and the total capacity of the base is 400 pounds. Choose your material thickness based on the application and the weight of the items you're mobilizing. The platform-based design allows you to accommodate machines or other heavy objects that are wider, longer, or have an odd footprint. You can also make squares or rectangles. The choice is yours. 2 sets of bolts are included to sandwich your base in the frame. One set suits platforms less than 3/4 of an inch, and the other set accommodates platforms greater than 3/4 of an inch. Finish your assembly of the base and mount your machine. You're ready to go. Using your PM-1100 is just as easy. Simply use the metal foot levers to lift or lower your base. Steer your machine away for storage or into position to begin your work. The BORA PM-1100 is a great way to mobilize your shop, whether you need a custom solution or simply need to move your workshop machinery. This kit provides custom sizing, easy assembly, proven BORA lifting mechanism, and metal foot levers. The PM-1100 is available online and in stores, so go to boratool.com to find a dealer near you.